Are you ready to take your startup to the next level? Customer relationships are the heart of your success. Managing those relationships shouldn't be complicated. With Capsule CRM for startups, you get an easy-to-use platform designed to grow with you. It consolidates your customer data, enabling you to understand and serve them better than ever before. Imagine a single view of all your prospects and clients. Enjoy seamless integrations with Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, Xero, and more. Tailor your sales pipeline and track opportunities efficiently. But what sets Capsule apart? Our exceptional customer support is available every step of the way. Plus, access your data anywhere with our mobile app. Don't miss out on our free version and 14-day trial for our paid plans. Start managing customer relationships like a pro and watch your startup thrive. Click the link below to get started today.